Chapter 1, Introduction to C. The programming language C was developed in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. C was initially developed for writing system software. Today it has become such a popular language that a variety of software programs are written using this language. The greatest advantage of using C program is that it can be easily used on different types of computers. Many other programming languages such as C++ and Java are also used based on C, which means that you will be able to learn easily in future. Today C widely used with Unix operating system. Structure of a C program. A C program contains one or more functions where is defined a group of statements that perform a well-defined task. Shows that the statement in a function are written in a logical sequence to perform a specific task. The main function is the most important function and it is a part of every C program. Rather, the execution of a C program begins with this function. From the structure given, we can conclude that a C program can have any number of functions depending on the tasks that have to be performed, and each function have any number of statements. Note the programs can choose any name of functions, for it is not mandatory to write function 1, function 2, etc. with an exception that every program must contain one function that has its name as main function. Here figure 1.1 shows the structure of a C program, and from the structure of the given figure 1.1 we can conclude that a C program can have any number of functions depending on the tasks. Now we see that figure 1.1. Figure 1.1 structure of a C program. Keywords in C. Now identifiers and keywords. Every word in a C program is either an identifier or a keyword. Identifiers are basically names given to program elements such as variables, arrays and functions. They are formed by using a sequence of letters. The following rules for forming identifiers names. Identifiers cannot include any special characters or punctuation marks like slash, s, question mark, etc. except the underscore. The structure of C program. N keywords, basic data types. Figure 1.1 keywords in C language. Auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extend, float, for, go to, if, int, log, long, register, return, short, signed, size of static, strut, switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, while. These are the keywords in C language. Now we discuss basic data types. In C language. Table 1.2 lists the data types, their sizes, range and usage for a C programmer. Basic data types in C. Character, int, float, double. Number of bytes in character 1. Range -128 to 127. To store characters. Use int bytes 2. Range -3 to 768 to +3 to 767. To store integer numbers. Float 4 bytes 3.4e -38 to 3.4e +38. To store floating point numbers. Number of size in bytes 8. Range 1.7e -308 to 1.7e +308 to store a big floating point numbers. In addition, also supports 4 modifiers to sign specifiers and 2 size specifiers. Table 1.3 shows the variant of basic data types. Basic data types and their variants. Character, unsigned char, signed char, int, unsigned int, signed int, short int, unsigned short int, signed short int, long int, unsigned long int, signed long int, float, double, long double. This table is very important for 5 marks questions in the examination. Note, when the basic data type is omitted from a declaration, the automatically type int is assumed. For example, long variable means int is implied.